whole tradition. It's a pre-Hispanic tradition. That's what made the big cities, and that's what dictated the power, was how many things can you get?
When the conquistadores first came to Spain, they marveled at this huge marketplace that would have 30 to 40,000 people on a single day trading. It's always so delicious and so bright green. Look at the difference in the color variations from very light blue, a little darker, and this is almost black.
Come to Mexico City, you can get everything from everywhere at all times. That's what made Mexico City what it was today.